So where we left off in the last recording was trying to determine the number of sides of a polygon if given the measure of one exterior or one interior angle. Because the polygon's regular, all of the interior and all of the exterior angles of these figures are all the same. So if given one, we can make generalization about all the others. So remember, in letter A, I'm taking 360 and asking myself what can divide into 360 evenly and give me 45. Now in letter B, it's not so simple. We don't have a specific number like we do for our exterior angle sum. We do, however, have an equation for our interior angle sum. So we have to ask ourselves the question, what divided into the total sum of the interior angles of this polygon will give me 150. Now the equation here looks a bit more complicated, but we're going to set it up like this every single time. So in order to get from step 1 to step 2 in this equation, I had to multiply by n on both sides. Then to get from step 2 to step 3, I need to distribute the 180 into the n minus 2. From there, I subtract the 180n from both sides, divide by 30, and I figure out that my figure, my regular polygon that has each of its interior angles equal to 150 degrees, is a 12gon, has n equal to 12 sides. So now, 18 through 20s. How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of each exterior angle is the specific angle measure given? So in 18, our work is going to look like this. Our equation setup will be 360 divided by n is equal to 60. If we roll through our algebra, our equation becomes 60n is equal to 360. Divide both sides by 60, and I get n is equal to 6. That means that there are 6 sides, or a regular hexagon has each of its exterior angles measuring 60 degrees. Please try 19 and 20. Check your answers. And for question 20, what kind of figure is that? What kind of regular polygon is number 20? Be specific and write your answer next to the problem. 21 through 23 are asking us to determine the number of sides of a regular polygon if we know the interior angle measure. So our work for 21 will look as such. We're going to set it up this way to begin with, working through our algebra, multiply by n on both sides, distribute the 180, and we find out that n, or my number of sides of this regular polygon, is equal to 3. Please pause the video and try 22 and 23. Here is the work and answers for 22, 23. Remember, while you're looking through this video, go back and make sure to use the pause feature between problems, between when I give you the answers, and between when I'm writing down notes, so you make sure you get all of this stuff down. If any part of this discussion has been confusing, please highlight it, make yourself a note, because I will be asking for questions on the video in the beginning of class tomorrow. See you then.